today?
Alright, I guess.
Are you? So, what do you like to do?
What I like to do?
Yes, what do you like to do?
I'm gonna go for a run, swimming, and
Well, that sounds interesting. How about this? We go out back, and we lather each other up with butter, and I beat you with a rubber hose.
why's that?
Because it sounds like a blast. I can handcuff you if you want.
Sounds really weird.
It sounds like a good time to me. I'll wear some really cute heels. If that makes you feel better. Don't you like the smell of butter?
Hey, Simba.
Mother? No, I don't know.
The smell of butter. Go to your refrigerator and open up a tube of butter and smell it. And tell me you do not want that all over you.
No, I don't want butter.
Okay, how about hot sauce?
No.
That just really turns a man on, doesn't it? Wait, are you Mexican?
Am I Mexican? No.
Oh, well, okay, so what are you?
White. No,
Oh, okay, so what do us people like? We like crackers, don't we? Oh, what about this? I will stick a thing of Hershey's syrup in between my butt cheeks, and I'll see how much I can squirt on you. I'll try not to poop.
Sounds really weird.
I thought... Really, you are just not full of fun, are you?
I don't know.
Loosen up a little. Come on, dude. Let me squirt you with some Hershey syrup chocolate, please. I'll put some more cream on you and a cherry on top.
Well, I'm pretty sure this is a joke.
This is what?
I'm pretty sure this is a joke, isn't it?
No, I'm being dead serious right now. I really want to lather you up in a food item and beat you with a rubber hose. So what do you say? You're not that far.
What?
You're not that far.
Oh, I guess not. What? You said, you called for Midland?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you up to?
I'm trying to see if you want to get beat with a rubber hose.